Welcome to Advanced British English, where swearing can make you sound posh. Word 1, bloody.
That was a bloody nightmare.
Did you just swear at me?
Haha, no love. That's just how we say really bad. Could be a bloody good day or a bloody cold sandwich.
Bloody is one of Britain's favourite intensifiers. It doesn't mean blood, and it's not exactly swearing anymore. It just adds drama, bloody brilliant, bloody awful, bloody freezing. Basically, it's the British way of being extra but still polite. Word 2, the dog's bollocks.
This car is the dog's bollocks.
Wait, did you just say dogs? What? That's gross.
It means it's amazing, mate. Like top notch. Some might even say it's the mutt's nuts. Or the bee's knees, if you're posh like my nan.
In the UK, the dog's bollocks means something is absolutely brilliant, even if it literally refers to a dog's bits. No one knows why that's a compliment. Probably just British humour and boredom. Want a softer version? Try. The mutt's nuts sounds ridiculous, feels brilliant. The bee's knees, your grandma might have said it, and we're bringing it back. Word 3, bugger all.
Well, that fixed bugger all.
Wait, did you just insult the screwdriver?
Nah, bugger all means nothing, as in I spent 3 bloody hours and achieved bugger all.
So, is bugger everything the next level of failure?
Exactly. Welcome to DIY in Britain.
Bugger might sound a bit rude, and yeah, it kind of is. But Brits use it all the time to talk about annoying things or absolutely nothing. Bugger all means nothing at all. Oh bugger. Like saying, well, that's gone wrong. You little bugger, sometimes even playful or cheeky. In short, British swearing, mildly rude, weirdly charming. Word 4, sod off, sod it.
Oh, sod it! I'm done replying to this muppet.
Sod it? What's that, gardening slang?
Nah, mate. It's our classy way of saying screw this. And if someone's being a pain, you just say sod off.
So, like, go away, but with extra tea and rage?
Exactly. Angry, but still polite. That's the British way.
Let's break it down. Sod it means screw it, used when giving up in a slightly bitter but classy way. Sod off is a polite way to say go away. Perfect for telling someone to get lost, with tea. Sod this for a laugh is like saying, this isn't worth my time or sense of humour. The word sod is a bit slippery. Not quite a swear word, but not one to say in front of your nan either. In short, sod is British frustration, served with passive aggression and a cup of Earl Grey. Word 5, the C word.
Wait, did they just drop the C word? That's illegal.
Yeah, in America, here it's horrible, but kind of common, especially in Scotland.
You guys say that to your friends?
Only the close ones. If I call you that, it means I like you.
Yes, that word. Brits know it's deeply offensive, but also use it like punctuation. It's never okay at work, at school, with strangers, or your nan. But with close mates? In pubs? In Scotland? You might hear it a lot. Warning, if you're American, hearing it once might ruin your week. But to some Brits, it's just the spicy full stop. Note, don't say it. Just know it exists. Hit subscribe for more slang that'll either offend you or make you sound alarmingly local.